Yeah, well, on the left side, huh? And he don't call his hits, bro. I lit him up right now. Finally called his hit. There are about 6 of them. Huh?
We're gonna go flank. You wanna push up? We're gonna go flank.
Use the flank?
Yeah, but when you come in to turn.
Keep him cuffed tight. We got it, bro. We're drawing fire, Mo. We're drawing fire. Hit. Bro, I'm hit, bro. I'm gonna fuck that little Chinese guy up. I don't see him. He's right there. Come on, you fucking hit! Yeah.
Well, push right and come around. Oh, I can't. I got a rifle.
Put your mag. Huh? You see him right there, Mo? On the lower part of the wall? Good break, doing great, babe. Where's he at, Mo? I'm just putting him on my window. You gotta get up on the side of him, bro. The left side, bro. We got one right in front of us, right to the right, and we got 2 off to the left. The guy with the sniper. Watch that doorway.